Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are talking about Bigcommerce. Now we are going to tell you everything that you need to know about this website. But first things first, the most important one, what is Bigcommerce? Well, Bigcommerce is an e-commerce platform that lets you create, customize, and manage an online store without needing advanced technical skills. Think of it as an all-in-one solution for running an online business, from selling products to managing orders, and it's built with tools designed to help you grow. BigCommerce is similar to other popular platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, but it's unique because it's known for being incredibly flexible and scalable. This means that it can handle everything from a small one-person store to a large enterprise level business. And what's great is that they offer a range of features like advanced SEO tools, built-in marketing, and even support for multiple sales channels. And let me tell you the key benefits of using BigCommerce right here. Number one is the ease of use. One of the biggest benefits is the ease of use. You don't need any coding knowledge to set up and manage your store. Thanks to BigCommerce drag and drop editor and user-friendly interface. Plus, you can access everything from the dashboard, including analytics, customer management, and marketing tool. We are going to delve into that kind of stuff later in this video, so make sure to stay tuned. Number two is the built-in marketing tools. BigCommerce also comes with a built-in marketing tools, so you can easily create discount, run promotions, and even integrate email marketing. These features can help you attract new customers and increase sales without needing a lot of third-party software. You have your scalability. Another big advantage of BigCommerce is its scalability. It's great for small businesses but can also support larger stores with advanced functionalities like multi-currency options, global shipping, and integrations with other marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. This means that you won't have to switch platforms as your business grows. The last key benefits that I love about this website is the SEO and mobile optimization. BigCommerce can help boost your store's visibility through SEO tools, so you can rank higher on search engines and reach more customers. Since more people shop on their phones, all templates are mobile optimized to ensure a smooth experience in any device. Now, to get started setting up your BigCommerce store, you have to go ahead and create an account. Now from here, this is their page. All you have to do is to go ahead and click on the login button. After clicking on the login button, it will then take you to this page right here, where you then have to click on sign up. Inside sign up, you basically have to fill out necessary information like your first name, last name, store name, email address, and more. And right after creating your account, you will then be prompted to your dashboard right here. Basically, the most interesting thing about the BigCommerce store is by heading over to the account section. Inside, you want to go ahead and click on store details, and from here we can then go ahead and see our store. So we have our current domain, you have your permanent address, and more. If you want to customize your store right here, you can just go ahead and go back to the overview, and once inside, you want to click on new store. From here, you can just go ahead and customize this the way you want to. You have your store name, what will you sell, what describes how you sell, and what is the size of your business. From here, you then have your country, and lastly, you can just go ahead and click on save. After clicking on save, it will now go ahead and create our store for us. This is the number one feature here on BigCommerce. You can just go ahead and drag things around, customize your store the way you want to without the technical know-hows. Right after, it will now take us to this page where it will say that our new store is ready. From here, you can select between the control panel and the view store details. Let's just go ahead and click on control panel. This is where we can control our store. From here, you can then go ahead and start accepting orders. First things first, you have to add your products. Second, get them shipped, accept cash on delivery, and lastly, you have to set up your tax rates. Now, the most interesting here once more is the customize theme button. So let's just go ahead and click on the customize theme right here, because it's as simple as dragging in elements into our website right here. Now in our case, we have this store for our website, and let's just go ahead and say that I want to change some elements into my website. From here, we can then go ahead and choose between these elements. You have your layout, text, image, hero banner, carousel, video, products, and more. Now let's just say that I want to add a hero banner right here. So I'll just go ahead and drag it into our website. And from here, it will now drag that specific element into our website. From here, you can just go ahead and customize this the way you want to. You can go ahead and edit the words, add underline, and more. You can also add the background image, banner size, background, image fit, basically everything there is to offer. From here, you then have your button. With this one, there's customization such as the button font, button style, which is round. If we go ahead and change this into something like pill, it will now change our button into this pill style. You have your button colors. In our case, let's go ahead and choose red. You have the button color mobile and more. So right after customizing your website right here the way you want to, you can just go ahead and publish this by clicking on the publish button. But if you're not ready to publish your website, you can just go ahead and click on save. From here, we also have the preview for different devices. So let's just go ahead and click on preview. For desktop, our store will go ahead and look like this. For tablets, it should go ahead and look like this. And lastly, for mobile phones, it will then go ahead and look like this. As you can go ahead and see, with a simple click of a button, we have managed to create our own website, and it is completely accessible in different platforms such as mobile devices, tablets, and Windows computer. Right after that, you can just go ahead and click on publish, and it will now publish our website usable for the masses to get our products. So that's how simple it is to use Bigcommerce. You can just go ahead and navigate through a lot of things right here, feel your way through on how this website works. And so, is Bigcommerce the right platform for you? If you're looking for a e-commerce solution that's user-friendly, scalable, and packed with marketing tools, Bigcommerce is definitely worth a try. The platform's robust features and flexibility make it suitable for beginners and businesses looking to expand. However, it's always a good idea to start with a free trial to see if a good fit for your specific needs. You'll need to feel for the platform and can decide if it's the best choice for your business. Now, there are a lot of templates or themes right here that you can go ahead and choose from. If you go ahead and like their free trial, I suggest availing their premium plans. And so guys, that's a wrap for our Bigcommerce tutorial for beginners. Hopefully, this gives you a solid foundation to get started with your own online store. If you have any questions or want more tips on setting up your e-commerce business, leave a like below and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.